morning children. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to read a funny poem from class 3. The name of the poem is Opposite Day, which was written by Ken Nesbitt. Ken Nesbitt was an American poet. He wrote funny poems for kids, for children. He was born on 20th February 1962 in California, United States. He wrote several funny poems for kids, and some of the poems which became famous in 90s is Good morning, dear students, science homework. These two poems became famous during his time. And he wrote funny poems on the qualities and reactions, actions of kids. He used to write for kids. Okay. Now, what are the characters in this poem? So, the poet here, he is telling about the funny actions of the children which they do in their childhood. And the characters in this poem are the poet and the children. So, the poet is expressing the qualities, reactions, actions of the children when they are in their childhood. What the children do unknowingly in their childhood. What are the vital words in this poem? What do you mean by vital, children? Important. So what are the vital words in this poem? Opposite, the title heading. Opposite means antonym. Okay. Backward means reverse. Scream means make a loud sound. Whisper means murmur. Sunny means bright. Let's see the rhyming words. So, what do you mean by rhyming words, children? As I told you in my previous video, rhyming words means the words which end in a similar sound. They pronounce in the same way when they end. Okay, so these are the rhyming words which we find in this poem. Day, way, out, shout, sad, bad, bright, white, hand, stand, cup, up, dark, black, crawl, all. Now, what grammatical knowledge we gain from this poem? So, when we read this poem, we will come across these words. Okay, what are these words called? Pronouns. What are pronouns? The words which are used instead of names. So we have first person pronouns, second person pronouns and third person pronouns. Pronouns are divided like this. What are first person pronouns? I, we. I is singular, we is plural. Again, you is used as singular as well as plural. Second person pronouns are you. Third person pronouns are he, she, it are singular. They is plural. So these pronouns are used in English language instead of names. Now let's read the poem, children. What is the title of the poem? Opposite Day. Opposite day. It's opposite day. It's opposite day. The day to do things in the opposite way. I wear my pants backward, my shirts inside out. I scream to talk softly, I whisper to shout. I write with my foot and I kick with my hand. I stare with my eyes closed, I sit down to stand. I drink from a plate and I eat from a cup. I climb into bed when it's time to wake up. I frown when I'm happy, I smile when I'm sad. I say I like liver but ice cream is bad. I claim that it's dark when it's sunny and bright. If something is black, I insist that it's white. I stand still for dancing. When running, I crawl. So please understand, I don't like you at all. Ken Nesbitt. So, what did the poet say in this poem, children? He just says that children, when in their childhood, they do several actions which are opposite. Yes? And see in this poem, children, how the children are doing. See, a boy wore his pant backside, reverse. Okay, and how the child, one of the children is eating. He is eating with a cup and drinking with a plate. Isn't it or not? Are you able to see this picture, children? Yes? And how a child is sad when it is time to be happy. Okay, you can see in this pictures. See the poem, children. It's opposite day. It's opposite day. So whatever we do, we grown-ups, what they do, all the works they do in a correct way. And what about the children? They sometimes make mistakes. They do an action in a wrong way. They don't do it deliberately, wantedly, children. They are small, so they don't know what is right and what is wrong. It's opposite day. It's opposite day. The day to do things in the opposite way. So the children are not going to do it, the action in a correct way. They are going to do it in a reverse form. Okay, I wear my pants backward, my shirt inside out. So the child here is, he is wearing the pants backward. The back part of the pant he is wearing to the front part. Okay, and my shirt inside out. So he is wearing the outer part. He is wearing the inner part of the shirt outward. Okay, I scream to talk softly. So if you want to speak softly, what do you do, children? You speak very soft. But what the child here is doing, if he want to talk softly, what is doing? He is shouting. Scream means shouting. I whisper to shout. So this child here in this poem, he whispers to shout. I write with my foot. So what do we write? How do we write, children? We write with our hand. So what the child here in this poem doing? He is writing with the foot. I kick with my hand. So what do you do with your leg? You kick a ball with your leg. But here in this poem, the child is kicking with his hand. I stare with my eyes closed. So how do we stare, children, at anybody? We open, we make our eyes very big and we stare. But what the child in this poem is doing? He is closing the eyes and he is staring. I sit down to stand. So what the child in this poem is doing? He is sitting to stand. I drink from a plate. So the child here is drinking from a plate. Do we drink from a plate, children? What do we use to drink water? We use a glass. But what do the child here in this poem doing? He is using a plate to drink and a cup to eat. Okay, he is doing the opposite action. I climb into bed when it's time to wake up. So when it is time to wake up, what do we all do, children? We wake up and we'll go and attend our natural call. But what the children in this poem are doing? When it is time to wake up, the children are going into the bed. They are climbing the bed. I frown when I am happy. So when do you frown, children? When you get angry. When you feel angry, you frown. So what the child in this poem is doing? He is frowning when he is happy. I smile when I am sad. So here the child is smiling when he is sad. I say I like liver. What is liver here in this line, children? Liver means animal flesh. Okay, which we with animal meat, mutton, chicken, some people cook and eat food items. So here liver is a meat, flesh of a meat. Okay, I say I like liver, but ice cream is bad. Do you say ice cream is bad, children? Don't children like ice creams? Children like ice creams. But what in this poem the child is saying? I don't like ice cream, I like liver, I like flesh. I claim that it's dark when it's sunny and bright. So when it is sunny and bright, what the child in this poem is saying? It is dark. So he is saying everything in opposite. Okay. If something is black, I insist that it is white. I stand still. What do you mean by standing still, children? Standing still, standing straight without any movement. So when you have to dance, what do? You make movements and you dance. But what the child in this poem is doing? For dancing, she is standing still. You can see in this picture, children. See in this picture how a dancer is standing still without any movement. Okay. I stand still for dancing. When running, I crawl. So what do you mean by crawling, children? This is crawling. Bending your body down on the ground and crawling. You would have seen small babies, how they crawl on the floor. So this is crawling. So the children crawl when they have to walk. Okay. When running, I crawl. So please understand, I don't like you at all. So what the children here are doing? They don't want to do the actions in a correct manner, in a proper manner. They are doing all the actions. All the actions they are doing in a opposite manner. Okay. So this poem was written by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, he was a great American poet who wrote funny poems for children. Have you understood this poem, children? Thank you, children.